Hello friends, welcome back to Multi-School Management System in Laravel 11. Last video we have discussed about my account. In this video we can continue like another module about assigning subjects. Assign subject means here is a class there. So this class which subjects work. So we need to work as an assigned subject. So we need to create a new menu, assign subjects. After you click on the create, is a lots of process, but I will create the video and I can explain in this inside videos. Before we can start, you are new in the channel other than the series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy it. You can see it like primary school management school in Laravel 11. We all did. So do you want to check? So you can check it. Okay. So let's go back again and we need to create a new menu. Resources, views, backends, assign subject. We need to create like this menu. And this is the only for school. So right now you can see it for the school 3 means, and we need to create a new menu, assign subjects. So just copy paste bottom here. I can put ASSING assign, and also I can do it like assign subjects. And this is the also we need to sort out inside subject mode, subject control. I don't want to create a for this control new, because same thing always going to same like assign subjects. Here also you can change assign subjects. Also you can change assign subject. Oh, I have changed wrong place, so just you can remove subjects. Okay, and here I can provide URL assign subjects. So let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see new menus available, assign subject. We can change all the menu right now, not right now, view later. I will create for this video for the icon. We can change means menu means icon. Okay, so now we can go to back again, app HTTP controller. Inside you can see backend and subject controller. Subject controller inside we need to work for the assign. Before we can work, we need to create all the URLs. So just go scroll down and you can see subject. So just copy all because we need all, but here a different way work. So please carefully watch. Okay, it is not working like later we did about that. It's not working like this. So just you can check. Here's the assigned subject is different. We need to put all the drop down, but URL we need all. This reason I am doing all. Okay, assign subject, assign subjects. You can see it, and here you can put it like assign subject list, and here you can put create subjects, create assign subjects, insert. We need also edits. So edits, and here we need to put update and delete. We can do it one by one. Don't worry about that. I can show you. Okay. So you can see it, assign subject class. I think some time of assign subject class. Here we need to write like class words. So what you assign? You are assigned as a class. Assign subject means class inside you can assign, but we don't want to make like bigger name. This reason I have added a small name. And let's open the database because we need to create also for this one database tables. So this is the table open. We need to create a new function inside assign subject list inside subject controller. So just scroll down and here you can create a function, functions, assign subject list, and here you can put request $request, and just scroll up and you can copy for this all thing about subject list and you can put it here, because after we need to change the file name, but right now I don't want to change this reason. You can change here subject to assign subject, and here you can create a new folder inside backend assign subject. Inside you need to create a file list, new file list .php, and press the enter. Now you need to go to subject. Inside you can go to list and you can copy all thing and put it inside, and here you can change assign subject class. Here you can type like assign subject class, because here we need to show carefully name, because we don't want to show in URL, otherwise taking like more words, it is not good, these reasons. And here you can change assign subjects because of the we need to make a reset, and also you can make like create assign subjects like this menu is enough. Okay, assign subject class list, and here we can change later. Okay, so don't worry, and here you can change also URL assign subjects, and here also you can change assign subject slash deletes, and here also need a pagination, so you can leave it. Let's refresh the page so you can see it. Just click on, so you can see can't see any error. Assign subject class, so we need to show like a create inside the class list, and after we need to show subject you can choose multiple, but class is a single. So simply now we need to change again, means create a new file about create, and also we need to change about above title. So just scroll up, and here you can change assign subject class, and now we need to create a new menu subject class. Sorry, not menu, about tables. Sometime I forget, sorry about that. Now here you can make it like a new subject class and open the subject list so we can understand easily. Subject tables, list means tables. So you can see it id created by id we need, because this is school wise work, so who is school doing, and also we need to show subject id, and also we need a class id. So simply you can see it subject class. So this is the our table name, and now we need to put id. This is the auto increment id, and next one we need to show like created by. So created by id always need who is creating, so this is the id also need, means school id. Next one we need a class id, because class id is a one single id. Second one we need a subject id, so here you can make it subject id, and here also you can use integer value, because we need to set here only id, we don't want to provide inside any name. And you can put like status, so status you can see it like a 0 means inactive, 1 means active, so status. And here you can put a tiny integers, because we need to do tiny integer inside. And by default we can put it here 0 1, whatever do you want to like. 0 means inactive, 1 means active. And here you can provide a 2 is delete also, because we need to remove, so we don't want to remove permanently these reasons. And here you can put tiny integer, by default is 0, always we are putting, you can see it. And next one, let's add another column also, created and updated at, created at, and also we need a updated at date and time, and null here also you can put null. And here you can see it date and time also null. Okay, let's press the enter, so you can see it, this table is ready, subject class. Now we need to create a for this model. Just copy, and you can go to models, inside you can click on the new file, save, and here you can do it like a subject class model.php, and just copy the names so we can use directly, and go to subject model, copy everything and put inside a subject class model, and remove the above space, always remove. And here you can change the table name class, and here you can leave it user id user type, because we need to use feature another way, so we can do it this reason you can leave it same thing. And here we are not making any join query, suppose we can make join query, so we can assign here name. So we don't want to need name filtering, we need about class name wise, so leave it right now. Okay, but you can comment out status, you can leave it, created by you can is delete, and id is already proper way there. So just you can comment out name filter. Okay, now you can go to backup, and you can like declare the model we have created subject class model. Okay, so subject class, and just scroll down, and here you can declare. And now you can go to back again to list.blade.php. So we need to sort out list, before we need to sort out different thing. Just refresh the page, so you can see it here, error there, not there, error not there. So now we need to work create assign subject, and after we need to sort out listing, because listing inside we need to make a join query, and we need to get the data. So simply we already created one function about the create assign subjects, just copy, and you can create new one. So let's go up, and we can copy create subjects, just you can copy and put it here, and you can put it here, create assign subject class, and here you can copy, and you can create a new file. Simply you can create a new file, blade.php. Okay, Now you can go to again subject create file and you can copy this coding because I don't want to write again. So just copy and paste here. Sorry, not student. I go to students. I need to just create subject file and I just paste here. I just close. Now you can see it. Now subject to we can change again. Let's control S find. So we can do it very quick. Assign subject class and replace all. So you can see create assign subject class. Name is good. And now here you can show like class name, but this is the showing drop down and this is the type we don't need anymore. So just remove it and let's go back again. We can check it's working, not working. After we can decide. Okay, just create class. So he is a redirect to create subject because we have not change here name. I think we have changed name. So what's the issue? I think URL is wrong. Yes, because list inside we have not changed the URL here. Here you can make like assign subjects. Let's go back again. Click on the assign subject again. Click on the create assign subjects. Now you can see create assign subject class. Here is the create assign subject class. Now here is a class drop down and subject we need to make a checkbox because you can choose one class and you can add a multiple subject selection at a time. Otherwise you can create again. So it's taking so much time. We don't want to wasting time for this way. Means anybody can buy in later. Otherwise anyone is using this project. So taking time is not good for everybody. So just class is a drop down. So simply we need to get a class and also we need to get all subjects. So we need to put here get class. So class model get. Let's go to class models. Inside you can see get record active. This is the already active there and also we are getting the user ID device. So simply you need to call this function. And here you can pass like your authentication ID, users ID means school ID. Now we need to make like another function get subjects because we need also subjects. And here you can do it like a subject model. Let's go to subject model, but before we can check, we need to declare for this model above. Just copy and paste and you can declare here. Now we need to go to subject model and inside we need to create a new function. I think this function not there, so we need to create. Let's copy paste for the class one because same function, just copy paste. And here is a like ID name. So just you can change here. Self means the above class name, and here is a all condition like who is created by. Created by means school ID. So school ID against we did authentication, order by descending order, and you can get it the records. Okay. Let's go back again, refresh the page so we can check error there, not there. So you can see no any errors. Now we need to show drop down. So simply need to close first everything because the confusion works. I don't want to need any time like create.blade.php. Just you can remove like a grouping. So we don't want to make group now. So you can remove it group. So simply you need to create a select. And I think you can copy for the select bottom one. So you can do it very quick. I just copy and now I need a for each loop for the class. So first one is a like select class. So just you can put it like a select class. And the second one we need to make for each get class as a dollar class. And here you can do it and for each. And just short out here. Now we need to put here ID for the class. So it's simply class ID and option inside you need to provide a name of the class. So just you can put it here name. And now we don't want to show for this input box. So just remove it. And here you can put it like a class ID. Okay. So let's go back again, refresh the page. And I don't want to show like class name, just you can show class. And I have refreshed the page, so you can see it here class drop down. You can see, just you can go to class inside, so you can see it here all the class I have added. You can see it here. You see. Now status you can leave it. Now we need to show about the subject. So you can choose one class inside multiple subjects because one class is a multiple subjects. This reasons. So let's remove all thing, but you can leave it for each loop. Another thing we don't need, so just remove. And here you can use label and inside you can use input checkbox, because multiple you need to choose, so you always need to use checkbox. And here you can provide a for each loop, and here you can close, and after you need to change get class to get subjects. Let's go to check the variable name, and you can put it here, and also you can change here class to subjects, and also you need to provide like a subject id, but this subject id is working array wise, so always use the array because multiple selections available. And value inside you need to provide name of the subject id. Okay, value inside subject id, and here you can provide a name. So let's copy and put it here, and here you can do it name. Let's go back again and refresh the page, so we can check it's working, not working. And just go back again, refresh the page here, so you can see all things working but not proper way. Let's make some css, so look like a professional show. And here you can make display block, so it's going to down, and you can put it like a margin bottom 10 px, so look like a professional show, this reasons. Let's copy this style and you can put it here. Okay, and here you can change to class to subjects. Let's go back again, refresh the page now. Now you can see you can choose the one class, and after you can assign for this class like a 3 subjects. Okay, and after we can create another menu here, timetable. So this is the subject, what is the timetable, we need to show in next video, not this video. And here active inactive you can see it here 0 and 1. Now you can see everything set up in this page. Now we need to save inside database. So we have already created one function, because URL is a blank, the same URL work as a post method. Just copy, and here you can create a function insert subject request $request, and here you need to make condition always if $request class id is not blank and n subject id not blank, so it's going to inside. Suppose blank, so why we need to go inside? Subject id is not blank, so it's going to inside, you can see it. Otherwise we can told him, we don't told, just we need to put condition because we need to use for each loop, this reasons. Okay, and here we can make a redirect like this, assign subject successfully. Here you can change assign subject class successfully, class successfully created. And here you can put it like a for each loop, because you are getting data for this subject is a looping wise, because we have already created an array. And now also we need to put condition, this is the subject id is not blank, so going to inside, and here we need to save the data. Just scroll up and you can copy anything, whatever do you want. Like let's copy for this name, and scroll down and you can put it here. So our data is already there, and here we need to change class id, so this is the class id we are already getting, and here we are getting subject id using the array, so put it here subject id. That is there created by also there, so we don't want to change anything. Now we need to change here model name, so subject assign class model. This is the we are saving. Let's show you it's working not working. Okay, assign subjects, so we can confirm it's working not working. Let's go back again, refresh the page here, and I choose s1 and click on the submit. So you can see it's working very well, assign class successfully created. And you can go to database, so also can working, you can see it here. You see id number 3 for the school id, class id same, but subject id different, also is the active. But here is what is the problem. Let's close this one. Suppose you are doing again like same class, and you can choose this one, so it's going to duplicate entry, so we don't want to go duplicate entry. So what we can do, we need to check this class inside this subject already there, suppose there, so we don't want to add inside database. So we need to check here condition, subject class id $check is equal to, here you can put it like a check class subjects. because we need to create a function. Here you need to pass like a is a created by id because this is the school date, so school id we need always here. Second one, we need to put here class id because class need, and third one we need to put here subject id. Now let's go to back to subject class model, and inside we need to create a new function. So this is get record we need, so leave it, and here you can create a new function and just you can change. Here you can put like a created by id, and after you need to put a count, and also we need to put class id. You can see it. Now just self you can use, otherwise you can as a name whatever do you want to like. Let's use a name right now, and you can put it like a where. First we need to check created by id, so this is the users created means is like school created, so this id we need to check. Another we need to check class id, so here you can put it like where class id, so dollar class id, and last one we need to check subject id, so you can change here subjects id, and after you need to put here count, so it's not going to duplicate. You can see it, we have count is already there inside record for all the condition wise, suppose there, so we can't put inside. So here you can put like if is equal to empty, means the condition inside is empty, like is 0, so going to inside and putting means put the entry, otherwise no need to put entry. And also you need to check here condition about like is deleted, suppose is deleted, sometime is record you need to check and he is deleted, so also we need to check not deleted records. Okay, so this is the condition we need, so you can check it, and here the static already did here. Let's go back again, refresh the page, and we can check it's working not working. I choose same class, I choose 3, but I add another basic science and technology and click on the submit. So you can see it here, only you can add like fourth one, 3, 5 and 5th, because basic science and technology added. Other 3 is not added because it's already there. So creating is done. Now we need to make a listing. Here we need to show class name, here we need to show subject name. Okay, and after we need to work in filter and edit and deletes. So let's go back again to listing part. So listing part inside we need to make join query, because without join query we don't want to show records here. So here you can see get record. So simply first we need to put here subject class dot like this way, because we don't want to take risk. So always you can concat whatever id do you want to, because same place all IDs same, this reasons. Now need to put here join query, so just to, you can copy like a return join. Here we need to put class, first we need to put class inside join, class dot id is equal to subject assign dot class id. Same join we need inside a subjects, just you can change here subject id, and here you can change subjects, and also you can change here subjects. So both table inside their name, so you can put it here class dot name as a class name, and same thing you can do it subject dot name as a subject name. You can see it here. Let's go back again, refresh the page. So error there, not there. I'm 100% sure error not there. You can see it. Let's go back again. We need to show both name, class name and subject name inside a listing. So just go back again. Here you can put it like a class name. Here you can put it like a subject name. And here you can see it subject name, and here you can do it, sorry, class name, and here you can put it subject name. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see it ss3 all the class, and here the subject is a different. Also you can see active and create dates, so everything is showing. So next video, because this video is going to very big, so I need to convert this part into video. Part 1 we have done about listing and creating. Next video we can sort out edit, delete and filtering. Suppose do you have any question for this video? We have explained for the creating, how we can store inside database. So please comment out, and do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching. Error